What is up, guys? Welcome back to another review. We got another truck today. You might have saw it in the last video, but we're gonna get NASCAR Motorsports number 40 for Ross Chastain. PlanBSales Watermelon Chevy Silverado for the 2020 season, last year going. So here we go. Another beauty. We got the watermelon hood with the Silverado nose and the 40. NASCAR Motorsports. Gander RV and Outdoors banner up top. Down the side, we're going to get the watermelon look going. All those contingency sponsors and the 40, the black 40. And again, we got the mobile one down there with the PlanBSales.com. And the white rims on the tires. Again, looking good. Ross Chastain. Name rail. And name banner. Chastain. We got Chevrolet. The American flag, looking good. Nice. Silverado, Chevy. And that 40. Down the side. Mobile one again. PlanBSales, all those different sponsors, and the black 40 going. Definitely good looking here. So, there we go. So we'll bring up in yesterday's review and do the same that we did yesterday by comparing, but we'll do a little bit better this time. We got PlanBSales on both rides, but this 40's got the actual logo going. And this one's got the watermelon logo with the green. And same down the side. We got the actual logo here on the Trevor Bayne 40. And then Ross Chastain's got that red PlanBSales. A little bit going on in the bed of the truck, different wise. And again, Trevor Bayne had the actual logos going. Chastain had this watermelon PlanBSales truck going here. So again, two beauties. Glad to pick them both up. And that'll be it for this one. So make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you, guys.